Hey guys,
welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we are in Hollywood Studios, and what will we be doing, guys?
right now we happen to be in Galaxy's Edge because we're gonna take you in this video to Savis Workshop just to show you the experience of building a lightsaber. And that's something that we've been waiting for a long time to do. And also we're gonna show you the new prices for this year because the prices still changed. I believe it went up for $20, but anyways, we're gonna give you all the details when we go over there. Hey, I am so excited about that. If you're brand new here, welcome to our family. This is Cool Case Adventure, and our main mission is to help you have fun when you come here to Central Florida or any Disney theme park or Universal theme park. With that said, are you guys ready to build?
Yes.
Awesome, because I am. So what are we waiting on?
So let's go. Wait, Mom, let the intro.
Mom, hit it! In order for you to do this Savis Workshop, you must get a reservation in the Magic app, and you must select your day. I mean, I'll be honest with you, this gets full fast, so make sure you do it. And then you come over here in this section over there. They're gonna ask you for the reservation, and they're gonna actually show you the different styles that they have. Once you come over here, then they're gonna tell us to wait in line. So we only get to bring one guest. So in this case, Kalel is the one who was chosen.
Because I was gonna go straight to Kyla, but she's like, but I want Anakin.
What's happening is that we may buy another type of lightsaber. I hope that you already watched some of our video. One of us get to do the experience, the other one eventually will get the other lightsaber. Yeah, so
who's my builder?
He will build it.
You're gonna take this pin it somewhere where we can see it, okay?
Okay.
Put it apart.
And
place it
this
in front of you once you're inside the workshop.
Alright, so very quick, you get to select between 4, right?
What?
Power control, elementals, nature, and protection. Okay. So then once we're building, we get to select between one of the 2, one of the 4, and so on, right? Alright, good. Thank you. Have a good day. Alright, so here we are in the waiting line, and we just asked how far the observer has to be from the builder, and it's about 2 feet away.
Yeah, they're right next to each other.
Right. So the person who builds gets this pin, and the observer gets this.
Yeah, but by the end, I don't know if you keep the pin, so we'll find that out.
Yeah. Which one we ended up choosing, Carla? The power and control?
We picked the power and control, yeah.
The dark side?
Yes.
Alrighty guys, so before we go and show you more about this awesome experience, if you're brand new around here, make sure you subscribe. If we're sharing any valuable content, make sure you
smash that like button.
Smash it, and share this content with all your friends and family so they get to experience all these. And also we're able to help them. So when they come over here, they know what to do. So what are we waiting on? Just do a subscribe and smash it, right, Kalo?
Smash that like button.
Alright, so we're group number 3, and we're going inside.
Welcome.
Thank you. Right, sons?
I tend to put a real damper on business, so we appreciate your discretion in that regard. But right, sons, to the rest of you, come on in, travellers. And well, it seems as if we've all made it here safe. I know it's a little, well, it's a lot. But to us, it is everything. These are my fellow gatherers, as you may call me, Kembe. I know what you're all thinking. This all looks like a lot of old junk. Well, let me assure you of something. Some of it is new junk as well. But we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. And it is our purpose to travel the galaxy in search of ancient relics. We look in forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. And what we find there, we bring here to our workshop. So where a stormtrooper might look around and see worthless clutter, but to those who know, they see priceless history. And in these times, preserving our past may just help ensure our future. And assuming that we're all familiar with the legend of Luke Skywalker, a new Jedi, does everyone know her name? Rey, that's right. And what she has started, It's the spark of hope that we've been waiting for, and that's why you're all here. To look ahead and to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. The most important part of a lightsaber. Any ideas? Exactly. It's the Kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the Force, to magnify it. Some say the Kyber crystal is the heart of a lightsaber. The blue crystal, for example, like that of Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and red, green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and of course, Luke Skywalker. Violet, rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by Mace Windu. Red, by many, it is called the color of power. The crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. These are stories of the past. We're here for you, our future. It is now time for you to select your Kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Everyone, close your eyes and picture it. Hold it in your mind. Which color calls to you? Which color do you see in your mind? Which color is yours? In your eyes, everyone. And select your crystal. Notice we all have our crystals, and if you haven't already, please go ahead and place those crystals onto the green crystal holders that you see in front of you. You'll then be pairing those designs with your crystals to create your hilt. And builders, the hilt is the foundation of your lightsaber. It is your center of control. It's also the part that stops your hands from being disintegrated. It's quite important. In the box on the left, you have your chassis. The next pieces you'll be using are on the right. That's the activation plates. That will be followed by the grips, emitter, and finally pommel cap. Building a lightsaber is a personal journey. Just as you chose your Kyber crystal, you will now choose the individual elements that will make up your saber. The gatherers are all here to assist you. So let's build.
We're going to do that and then we're going to put it with the top. And it pops right into the and then you so you'll put it in the back. We're going to put red over red and blue over blue. Now we're ready for the grips. You can pick out any shoe. They can go on the top or on the bottom. You can pick it. Just look at this piece. There's an interface. If you hold it upside down, gravity will help you squeeze it.
Love the fact that they help the kids to do it.
There we go. We're ready for the top. There you go. We're going to put one of these on the top and then one of these on the bottom. These just stay on
Unfortunately, we haven't developed the technology to emit from both ends. It's probably a good thing that it's passed to the one side first. It's safer that way, I feel. By the way, yeah, it's a fine side of color crystal.
How you feel, Kala? You feel powerful? So that's how your lightsaber is looking right now? That's amazing, dude.
And Kala, nice job here, my friend. Good power and control. Very good indeed. Now, I was speaking with a traveler here, said his favorite of the Sith was Darth Maul. You've gone with that same design. Do you have a favorite? Darth Maul as well? Yeah, nicely done. That's a good choice. What color crystal? Very good, so there's hope for you yet. Okay, that purple crystal, that represents balance. The balance between the blue and the red. So I think with such a powerful design, it's important to have that element of balance in this. So congratulations, it's a fine combination here.
Combination.
The power in between blue and red.
That's it.
I got power.
You got it.
Technically, technically we all picked the same base and the same because we all have been with viral. So they're good Jedis. We're gonna be great Jedis.
Right. And the idea was also to fool the First Order, right? To be undercover.
Step back, as this is the most dangerous part of the build. Now, crystals can be volatile if not handled correctly, so we need to take every precaution to ensure the stage goes smoothly. Wait, what's
With many pups you began, yes. With the heart of the saber they are drawing, much more they will become. It is time.
Master Yoda, it is indeed time. Time to take our first step. The final stage is upon us. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged. Builders, on my signal, you will come forward. Place a hand on the hilt of your saber, and together we will activate. Builders, are we all ready?
Yes, sir.
Then come forward. Place a hand on your hilt, and activate. And raise your lightsabers. Builders, you have all built lightsabers, just like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Builders, please deactivate and lower your sabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Choose your path it cannot, but light your way it can. May the Force be with you.
Fortunately, our time together is at an end. But your journeys are just beginning. Time to make your mark on the galaxy. You are all as unique and as extraordinary as the lightsabers you have built today. Raise your sabers, everyone, and activate. Thanks so much, my friend. You're going to lead us out.
Hello, Ray. How are you? We just did. We just did. It's the purple.
For a moment I thought it was red.
No, but here's what we did. We decided to go with the dark side, the power and control, but it's only because the First Order is around. So if they see that we're purple, we can fool them still regardless. But if we don't turn it on, they will not know that we're undercover.
They might trust you. I bet you get close enough to listen to them.
Exactly. We're trying to help you and Chewie.
Yeah, I'm glad to have you on our side.
Thank you. So you approve of the plan? There you go. See? I like it. So it's pretty. Thank you. May the Force be with you too. Hello, we know that we made a great decision. Yes. Ray approved of our plan.
Ray approved.
She knows we are undercover. So if we get pulled by the First Order,
we have the base of the First Order.
Exactly.
We just can't turn on
the power and control, so they're not gonna be able to bother us. All right, Kal-El. So we just experienced this amazing workshop. How did it feel?
It's too amazing.
It's too amazing?
Yeah, you can't go wrong.
It was worth it.
Yes, definitely worth the 200 or something.
Yeah, I know. It's a little bit expensive, but it's nothing like that experience.
It's expensive, but it's worth it.
It is well worth it.
You even get to talk with Master Yoda.
So we hope that through our video we help you making a decision and also help you experience it. In case you cannot make it on here, this is an amazing experience.
Yes, truly.
And let me show you more details about it. Ooh, this is heavy, dude.
It's heavy and you can't really see it.
And they give you this to protect it. Kal-El was a little bit nervous with the task. He was like, I don't know, I'm not understanding here and there, but that's okay. That's okay.
We still got it done.
Yeah, we got it done. We did it, guys. It was an amazing experience, and we just feel flattered that we were able to share it with you guys, because this is unbelievable. So everything costs 234 credits, like they call it here. The money in Galaxy's Edge is called credit. So with taxes and all that, it's 234. It just recently went up from 199 to 219. So with the taxes, it's 234. So you get to keep your pin that they give you over here as the builder and build it, go through that experience, and also this.
And saying whichever base that you pick, let's say you pick what we picked, the power and strength. You're gonna get this pin. But every different thing, you get every different pin.
I don't know what it took us so long to do it, but we did it, guys. We did it. Let me show you really quick the details on this thing, because it's quite heavy. But check this out. I love it. I love it. Like we said, Kyla and Mom helped us selecting this, so it was like a family decision. So something that we've been wanting to do since we ever came here to Galaxy's Edge. But anyways, thank you for joining us, and we hope that we were able to help you out with that. And with that said, don't forget to
Subscribe
and smash that like button and turn on that bell for notification, right?
Yes.
Bing, 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 bing. Always remember to smile out, be great,
Be cool.
and stay awesome. See you in our next adventure, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Do it. Boom,
Boom.
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 See ya.
Bye.
And may that force be with you.